Hello guys, now I'm show you a very high quality garage door in Guangzhou factory, guys. This is very strong, durable. Okay. Now you can see through inside. Okay. Garage door. Okay. Very good. Now it's 100% closed. Okay. Again, you can see through. Okay. 你现在把它关掉。Okay. Okay, 你把它全部关上。Okay, now let's go. This is inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, then you have about 50 square meter of the windows.
Also, the window you like
Yeah, but build the outside.
Okay. Very good. And this is the raw material they use. It's stainless steel and put the foam inside. It has the insulation function. So guys, if you want those building materials like windows, garage doors, tiles from China, just feel free to contact us, and we carry and we care. Thanks for watching my video, and we hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.